Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and today guys, magbe-bake tayo ng isang low-carb pastry or low-carb cake, and they call it ugly chocolate cake. Why ugly? I will show it to you later. So, excited na ako ipakita to sa inyo, so let's start baking. So, here's our ingredients guys for our chocolate ugly cake or ugly chocolate cake. And we are already preheating our oven for 180 degrees Celsius. And we already prepared our baking pan. Yan. And we will be using 3 large egg yolk. And I already put the 3 egg whites here because we will be needing 5 egg whites. So the 2 egg whites, I use the liquid egg whites. Ayan. And for this mixing bowl, I already put the 70 grams almond meal or almond flour, baking powder 1 teaspoon, baking soda 1/2 teaspoon, cocoa powder 2.5 tablespoons, and we will mix it all together later. And then we will be needing also our lakanto 50 grams, and our chocolate of choice. I use the Lindt for 70% Lindt, this one 70%, so we will be needing 30 grams of it. Yan, 30 grams melted in the oven. And for this, I use MCT oil, or if you don't have MCT oil, you can use coconut oil. So you will be using 40 grams of the coconut oil, and also almond meal for 60 grams. Ayan. So, that is all our ingredients. And before I forget, we will be using our cream of tartar to do our meringue. Ayan, to make our meringue. And since I don't have cream of tartar, I will use this apple cider vinegar. I will be using same amount of cream tartar, which is 1/2 teaspoon. Ayan, pwede nyo gamitin to guys, or the white vinegar alternate nung cream of tartar since wala tayong cream of tartar. So, let's start baking. So, let's start with our meringue guys. And wala nga tayong cream of tartar, so I will use same amount of cream tartar needed, which is 1/2 teaspoon dito sa ating egg white. Ayan, nilagay na natin siya. So, yun yung magsisilbing meringue. Sorry, yun na magsisilbing cream of tartar. So, pag medyo frothy na ganyan, ilagay na natin yung ating half lang guys ng ating sugar. Half lang. Kasi gagamitin pa natin yung half mamaya dun sa ating egg yolk. So, half lang siya. Then, pwede na natin tong i-high speed. So, yan guys. Malalaman na natin ang ating meringue kapag okay na, kapag hindi siya nahuhulog. Ayan, kahit ibalibaliktad mo siya, hindi siya mahuhulog. So, now let's work out our egg yolk with the other ingredients. So, first, i-beat muna natin ang ating egg yolk. And then, the remaining sugar, lagay na natin siya hanggang sa maging creamy. Ipa-fast beat natin siya hanggang maging creamy. Ayan. Pag okay na yan, guys, pwede na nating ilagay ang ating chocolate of choice, kung ano yung gusto nyong chocolate na gamitin. Meron yung iba, gumagamit ng 99% guys. Pero para sa akin kasi masyado nang mapakla yun. Pero yun talaga, actually yun talaga yung acceptable kapag actually pwede din namang 70%, which the one I used. And pwede din siyang 85 or 90. And then after that, ilalagay na natin ang ating MCT oil and the almond milk. So, haluin lang natin. And then, lagay na natin siya. Then, mix it all together. Here's our dry ingredients, yung prepare natin. But this one, guys, isi-sift natin siya. Although na-sift ko na to. Yan. Na-sift ko na siya, but we will sift it again. Bali ito, guys, para siyang chiffon cake. Actually, chiffon cake siya ng low carb. But the problem is, hindi siya ganun ka-fluffy. Gaya ng chiffon na ginagawa natin. Hindi siya ganun ka-fluffy. So, ayun. Mix it all together again. Iba kasi ang almond flour, guys. Hindi siya katulad ng ating all-purpose flour. Ayan. So, yan ang mixture natin. So, what's next will be the 1/3 ng ating meringue. Ayan. 1/3 nito. Ilagay na natin siya. And this is the only time na pwede natin siyang haluin together with our wet ingredients. Yung haluin talaga na yung super halo. Using this one. Haluin mo siya. Yan. Kasi the remaining half, you cannot mix like this. Dahil magde-deflate yung white. So, ifo-fold lang natin siya using this balloon. Anong tawag dito, guys? Nakalimutan ko na. Yung malaki siya na ganyan. Ayan. So, ayan na siya. So, yung remaining niya, hindi mo siya pwedeng ihalo-halo. So, fold lang siya. Pagkalagay mo, fold lang. Ayan. Yung half. And then, yung pinaka-last. Ayan, so igaganyan-ganyan mo lang. Kasi ayaw nating ma-deflate yung egg white. So, let's put it all together. Ang bango. Ang bango, guys. Kung naamoy nyo lang, sobrang bango niya. So, here's our prepared pan. Lalagyan na natin siya. Kutsarain mo na lang. Para hindi siya masyadong or pwede mo rin namang i-pour. Dahan-dahanin lang. So, we will be putting this cake mixture in our oven for 30 minutes. Ayan. Wait 15 minutes before lifting the cake out of pan, guys. Pagka natapos na. Do not remove this paper until cake is completely cool. Okay? So, lagyan na natin. Ayan na, guys. So, just come out from the oven and medyo jiggly siya. Medyo, anin mo lang siya, guys. Alamigin lang natin siya ng mga 15 minutes. And this one is not same like the normal chiffon cake pag ang gamit nyo is all-purpose flour. So, ito, magsisink siya kasi hindi natin siya pwedeng i-upside down. Usually kasi kapag ka mga low carb or yung almond flour ang gamit mo, pwede mo siyang i-flip. Then, ihahang mo lang siya para maging yung fluffy pa rin siya. But this one, we cannot do it. So, for sure, magsisink to sa gitna. And we will see later. Okay? So, ayan na siya. So, here's the ugly cake, ugly chocolate cake. Ugly siya kasi nag-deflate siya dito sa gitna. And, ayan. Kaya siya ugly. Ugly chocolate cake. So, normal to guys sa mga low carb chiffon cake. Not unless, ang gagamitin natin next time, we will make the chiffon cake na i-turn natin siya upside down nang sa ganon hindi siya magkakaroon ng ganitong malalim. So, let's try this one guys. Ayan, bali ano lang yan guys, whipping cream na binit mo siya and then put some erythritol and it will be like that. So, let's try our ugly chocolate cake. Actually, guys, you can use the cream cheese filling dito sa ugly cake na to. But for me, really, chiffon cake is the best. Pwede nyo gamitin guys yung cream cheese na ginawa natin noong nakaraan. Basta like for example 200 grams of cream cheese, then 100 grams of butter, then lagyan nyo na lang ng erythritol. Kung ano yung preference nyo sa sweetness. But for me, mas gusto ko kasi itong yung whipped cream. Sarap. Ayun, sana matry nyo guys itong ugly chocolate cake natin. Na chiffon, like chiffon version siya ng chocolate cake. And next time, gagawa pa tayo ng mga iba't ibang chiffon na ipapakita natin kung paano yung magiging technique kapag low carb ingredients ang gamit mo kasi kailangan mo talaga siyang i-turn upside down. So, hindi siya ganun kadali kapag low carb ingredients ang gagamitin mo. Hindi ganun kadali yung pag-achieve nung chiffon, parang yung cotton-like na chiffon cake. Hindi siya ganun kadali. So, medyo komplikado gawin. But we will try it next time. But for now, pwede naman ito muna yung gawin nyo. So, thank you so much guys sa mga nag-like, nag-subscribe at nag-share ng videos. Maraming salamat po. And see you again on our next low-carb recipes or regular recipes, mga niluluto sa bahay. God bless guys. Keep safe always and we love you.